Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. The resilio-sync package is not available in the Ubuntu-based repository, so you will need to install it from the resilio-sync official repository. Install the required dependencies using the following command. Next, download the import GPG key with the next command. Add the resilio-sync repository to apt using the next command. Now update the packages. Run the following command to install resilio-sync on your server. Next, start the resilio-sync service and enable it to start after the system reboot. The next step is to verify the status of the resilio-sync. By default, resilio-sync listens to the local host. In order to access the resilio-syncs from the remote device, you will need to change the local host to your IP server. Change the following line. Save and close the file, then restart the resilio-sync service to apply the changes. Next, you will need to create a directory that you want to share using the resilio-sync. You can create it with some files using the next command. Next, set proper permission using the next command. Now open your web browser and adjust the resilio-syncs using your IP server address and the next port. You will be redirected to the admin user creation page. Set your admin username, password and click on the Continue button. Define your resilio-sync name and click on Get Started button. Now click on the next button. You should see the following page. Click on the standard folder. You should see the following page. Select the folder that you want to share and click on the Open button. You should see the next. Click on the Link tab to generate a share link. You should get here. You should get it like this. Now click on the X button to close the link sharing interface. Now go to Remote Device and adjust your shared folder using the link which you have copied. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.